Yo guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is some pro minor smooth jazz guitar licks. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So what are we talking about today? Smooth jazz. Stuff like that. I'm gonna show these licks. They're really cool, but as smooth and relaxed they seem to be, they're not so relaxed. So let's get started. Alright guys, we're in the key of B flat minor. So as a first little exercise, you just play the B flat minor Aeolian scale. As in 16 notes, so daga 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 da. Just as a warm-up. Honestly, if I wouldn't have done the warm-up here, you need a little bit of a warm-up to get this relaxed, smooth vibe. Okay, 3, 4. So that will be a starter. You can also try with a track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie. Yeah, I was thinking about something while I was playing. Okay. So that will be a warm-up. Now let's get started with the licks. We are on the key of B minor. What is always cool is this here, you know, some kind of a little chord thing. So we're doing the B minor 9 chord, then stacked fourths here in the 8th fret, then in the 10th fret. So and then we do the Wes Montgomery power chord here in the 13th fret, 13, 14, 16. Then we move here to the 10th, and to the 8th. So let's see how that works. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can go back to single note line and make it sound really cool and crispy. Okay, that is really relaxed and nice and crispy, and it sounds really cool. So already with these two licks we can do something really nice. And just in between you just make some relaxed B minor pentatonic stuff. Now the chords. See, it already sounds quite cool. Now let's do another lick, which I always love to do this one. So we do a repeating pattern here. We're doing this little chromatic line. So we started in 6, 8, 9, 6, 9, 8, 6. Now here comes the clue. It's a 60-note line. But since there are 6 notes and 60 notes has only 4, the accent already moves around. And we start on the second of the 60 notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And that one you can repeat as long as you like. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And at a certain point you go out. 1, 2, 3, 4. What would be really cool is when you go out, you just go down the blues scale. It resolves really nicely, and the first part of the lick you can repeat as long as you like. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really cool. Sounds quite cool with these licks. And one trick, since we're starting on the second 60 notes, don't forget that you start with an upstroke. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Start with an upstroke, because then it resolves perfectly, you know. So you back down with a run, with a downstroke, and then everything is cool. Good. Now we're going to the harder ones. Hopefully the warm-up was enough. We do this here. Let's see how that one sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one looks easy, but it is not easy because we are doing sweep picking here or economy picking. We're starting here. So we're doing down, now up, stroke. So this is the first movement. See? Then we're going back upwards. We're going back up with down strokes. See? So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you have this economy picking inside. Well, you can try with alter pick if you want, but I'm not sure if you get it down so smooth. Let's see how that one sounds. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really smooth. Really cool one. Now let's do a quite common one, this one here. I'll show you with a track. It's one you probably already can play, but just play it smooth. It's quite a classic lick here. We're starting here. Here we have a pull off from 9 to 6. From the beginning it's quite classic. Till here, and then it goes into... You have this... And then we resolve here with the blues scale. Okay? Or slower. Let's do this with a track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sounds quite cool. Nice and cool. Good. Now we're doing a last one. Now that is then heavy enough to practice for a while. And that's the hardest one now. It's again economic picking. We're doing the B minor. Oh, let me first play it for you that you hear how it's gonna sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. What are we doing here? We're doing the B flat minor arpeggio here. 13, 11, 9, oops, 13, 11, 10, 11, 9, 13. And we're doing this with economic picking, so down, 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 up, pull off, up, up. Okay. Now we're moving down here. Now we're doing A flat major arpeggio as, and then we resolve here. Here is now 8, 9, 8, 11. Pull off. And then we finish the lick with a slide from 9 to 11. And the whole thing is in 16 also. And because the figure is not completely in 4, the accent moves again through the whole thing, which makes it, even it's a simple arpeggio exercise, it sounds quite cool. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put the whole thing together to something cool. The main thing in smooth jazz is to be smooth and relaxed and keep open spaces, and in between you just pop in something really so wah, you know, and then that's what it is about. So you start simple, just using pentatonics or whatever. these were some pro minor smooth jazz guitar licks. Some of them are not so out of place. Some of them, if you're not used to economic picking, are probably something new. You can also skip those ones or try them with alternate picking. But I prefer economic picking because it makes the whole thing sound more smooth. But that's really up to you. You can also make it sound smooth with alternate picking. Yeah, but as always, the stuff which looks easy and relaxed and has to sound easy, relaxed, is not so easy and relaxed at all. So these licks are, at least some of them are probably a challenge, but it's always good to have a challenge and just to work on them. And we are here in 95 BPM, so it's quite still a relaxed tempo. And just keep it going, pick out the ones you like, and just work on them. And sometimes when I learned licks, and I'm not really the lick guy, honestly, but when I learned licks, I always took out the parts of licks which I liked and put it into my playing, and the parts which I didn't like, I just skipped, so you can pick anything you like from it and make your own combinations. However, if you want to download this cool backing track for practice and want to have the tabs of the licks which I just showed you, they're available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Please join there also to support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community. And you also find some technical exercises there which are quite helpful if you want to work on your technical skills, because playing these runs is so smooth is also a little bit a technical challenge, so it also makes sense to make some technical exercises. I'm gonna put links in the post in the Academy if you want to check those out. Good, that's all me and Dr. Pink having to say. See you guys.